laughing stock everywhere. I am crying, Jimo. Bobby, I'm a one. Bobby, I'm a one. I am a days, Jimo. Bobby, Tiwa, Bobby, Tiwa, I am crying, Jimo. Bobby, I'm a one. I am now. I am a days, Jimo. Bobby, Tiwa, I am now. I am crying, victim. Bobby, I'm a one.
You fed me just a few months ago. Everything just changed. She may say, who have I wronged? No, my family cannot go this wretched. She may say, you are the only one we count on. Odima.
Do you want to continue like this? Oruchi, if you ask me, I would suggest you go back to the city. Get a proper job, at least to support your husband.
Job? Do you know how long I have been looking for a job? Do you know how many times I have applied? Even if I get this job in the city, where do I stay? Where? I'm just hoping on God to fix every problems we're having right now.
Amen, he will. And by the way, where is Ogamizie?
He went to the market. My husband now pushes wheelbarrow.
What? Hey, Oruchi, this is not ordinary anymore. It is not. I think you both need to seek spiritual help.
Do you know how many times we have tried? Our parish priest has been on our case, praying day and night for us. Yet nothing. Nembiko, I didn't call you for that. You already know how bad our story is. I called you here because I want you to help me. I need someone to help me sell my clothes and my jewelries.
Is that how bad it is now? You want to start selling your stuff?
No, you don't know how bad it is. We don't feed properly. I'm just trying to sell these things so that at least I can use the proceeds to start up a business here and support my husband. My son needs to go back to school. What do you want me to do?
But I know you have a brother.
What about him? Oh, leave family matter for now. Let me get the bag for you. That's what is more important.
I am now a laughing stock everywhere. I am crying, Jimo. Bobby, I'm a one. Bobby, I'm a one. I am a days, Jimo. Bobby, Tiwa, Bobby, Tiwa, I am crying, Jimo. Bobby, I'm a one. I am now. I am a days, Jimo. Bobby, Tiwa, I am now. I am crying, victim.
You're really serious about selling yourselves?
I don't need you to start talking me out of this. If you can get back to me on this today, I'll be very happy. Please, just try and sell off everything in the bag. Everything. I need the money.
I'll do my best.
Okay. Thank you. I would have walked you, but I'm tired.
It's okay.
Thank you. This is what life is. Is this what they call from grace to grass? Just in the twinkle of an eye. Hi.
Yes, if you do good, if you smile, it's so good. If I put him in love, People are wicked. They can't sleep for your case.
Is this how the world is?
People are wicked.
Is this how I'm gonna live my life?
I'm losing my sanity. I'm losing my sanity.
Hey! See fine man.
Hey! She. Ha! Oh. Why they search your pockets now?
I feel.
If you waiting, you know, look for that number, they will go and go police station, you search your pocket. You be thief.
Police.
You be thief, come here, come. I don't even trust yourself. Where is?
Wait now.
Wait, yeah, you won't go. Stop, find you, check whether you go see phone, move, they can go police station.
Back. Back. I know what I'm saying. It was here. I left the bag. It's this place I left the bag. Here I left
I will feast on you like termites, and nothing will be left. Pwah. Pwah. Pwah.
Okay, I need to calm down. And I will say, Oluchi, I know I was with the bag, but I can't find the bag. No, I can't find the bag. No. I hid the bag and it disappeared. I'm not making sense. Oluchi, I think someone took the bag. What do I do? Really fast though. I was expecting you to come maybe tomorrow or day after. Hey, Name, thank you. Oh, the money. The money. What money are you talking about? Where's your husband? I don't know where he is. What is wrong with you? Why are you asking after my husband? Something happened. Huh? Something happened to Mezie? No. Something happened to us. Who is us, Okwano? What are you saying? The money disappeared. You are still getting me confused. You haven't said anything. You not say money. Which money? The money I made from selling of the clothes and the jewelries. It disappeared. I can't find it anymore. But I know I kept it there. I know I just kept it to ease myself. I can find it. I can't find the money. I can't find the money. I don't know what happened. It disappeared. How did it happen? I don't know. They gave me the money. Yes, they gave me the money. But I hid it somewhere in the bush for me to ease myself and come back. And I couldn't find it. I know they gave me this money. It disappeared. I searched the whole place. The whole bush. I can't find it. I don't know how I lost hope. That was my last hope. I don't know what happened. I don't know how it happened. But that was my last hope. It happened. I made sure no one saw me. How it happened, I didn't know. Hey. My love.
Yes, babe.
What happened still baffles me. There was no way that money could have disappeared. If not done by magical powers, I was the only one in the bush.
Listen, but you shouldn't have helped her sell those clothes. She'll probably think you sold those clothes and then came up with the lies that the money is missing.
I don't think so. Besides, Oluchi is not like that. She won't think that way.
You see, we need to cut off from them now. By the way, I hope you didn't tell her where we are.
No, we didn't discuss that. Do you know what Mezie is doing right now?
No? What is he doing?
He's a common wheelbarrow pusher in their village markets.
Wow. Dogunataze, bread with water. It's a big abomination. But a man has to do something to survive. Listen, baby, if not for my heart conditions, I would have found a menial job myself and provided us with something to eat.
God forbid, I won't even allow you to do it.
Oh, come on, but I can't allow you to do all this all by yourself.
Do you want me to lose you?
Besides, we are only hiding here for a while. Everything will be fine, please.
Listen, if they want to really track us, they can actually do that. We cannot hide forever.
I know, and I pray God saves us before they track us and found us here. I don't want anything to happen to you.
Yeah, nothing is going to happen. Everything will be fine.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, morning. What can I do for you?
Sir, I'm coming from the site, sir. The boys do not allow me to work with them, sir.
Wow. That's the position of things. I have enough men to do the offloading for me.
Hi, Oga, no, Oga, you cannot do this to me now, Oga, no. Oga, Bikono, please, let me walk. Please. I told them that I normally work with you. But they said that you're the one that gave instruction that you have enough people. But I told them that no, that if you see my face, that you let me walk. But you are not there. So let me come to you, sir. Please, sir. You know I'm a loyal servant. You know I've always worked well for you. Please.
I know, but as you can see, I've already made up my mind.
Yes,
the men are enough to do the offloading for me.
Sir, but you have always liked me. Now you told me that when I carry cement, I go very far because of my height. Yes. That's what you told me, sir.
I know.
Please.
I can't change my mind.
Sir, please, I'm begging you. Please, because of how loyal I am. Sir, you know I don't give you troubles. I don't even go for water break sometimes. I just walk.
You are disturbing me.
Sir, even when you are owing people and you owe me, I don't even hold your shirt. Other workers, they hold your shirt. They embarrass you. I tell you, sir, when you have the money, you call me.
You want me to push you before you go?
Sorry.
Go!
Cause if you do good, if you smile, so good. If I believe it, you can't sleep for your case.
Is this how the world is?
People are wicked.
Is this how I'm gonna live my life?
I'm losing my sanity. I'm losing my sanity.
Where will I start? I'm owing debt everywhere. Who will save me? My life is shambles. Who will rescue me? I need the help. Oh, this suffering is too much on me. This world is too much on me. Onye can measure, no more remo. Onye measure, no more remo. Na fufa bugo misio. I have suffered enough. Stuck everywhere.
I am crying, Chimo. Bobby, I'm a one.
Bobby, I'm a
I am a face, Chimo. Bobby, Tiwa, Bobby, Tiwa, I am crying, Chimo. Bobby, I'm a one. I am a face, Chimo. Bobby, Tiwa, I am crying, Chimo. Bobby, I'm a one. I am a face, Chimo. Bobby, Tiwa, I am crying.
Come to my aid.
Bobby, I'm a one.
Not allowed there.
I am a face, Chimo. Bobby, Tiwa,
and when I get
I am crying, Chimo. Bobby, I'm a one. I am a Cause if you do good, if you survive,
Mommy, why are you crying?
I'm not crying. Where is your dad?
But there's tears on your cheek.
Biko, please, just let me be now. Where is your father?
He went to see someone who called him for a job. But what's the problem?
The garri I was carrying mistakenly fell into a mud.
Mommy, it's not why you're crying. Don't cry, okay? We'll eat another day.
You won't understand. Your father has not eaten anything. And he needs to eat something when he gets back. We don't have anything to eat.
No, don't worry, okay? God will provide.
Thank you. Run to Mama Nkechi's shop, eh? Tell her to give you a cup.
What's the problem?
Chimo.
Oh, what is it?
Hey! Chimo. My money. My money. Help! 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 My money. Oh. Ah.
Is this still the money you're looking for?
Hey. Oh, Chimo. Chimo, where is my money? Oh. Hey. Oh.
Mommy.
Oh.
Are you still looking for the money?
No. This is the only money we have left. This is the only money we have left in this world. Hey.
Someone might have picked it. Let's just go home for the sake of your pregnancy. You hurt yourself, Mommy.
I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere until I find the money. Until I find the money. Where else do you want us to get money from? Where? Where? Hi, Chimo. Hi. Manumba, that money must have fallen here. I was holding it now. I was holding the money. I was holding it. I was tying it. It was just in the head tie. It was in the head tie. I was holding it. I had the money with me. I had the money with me. Nabiko, no, Nabiko.
I am now laughing stock everywhere.
Cause if you do good, if you survive,
where's my wheelbarrow? Hey! Okay. My wheelbarrow. I cannot find my wheelbarrow that I used to bring something for you. Hey! Where's my wheelbarrow now? Oh! Who carried my wheelbarrow? Was it not here? I came like this. I dropped the goods.
I'm talking to you now. Your wife is at the hospital now.
What is it? What is the problem?
He's in labor now. He's in labor now.
My wife?
Yes, I send you.
In labor? Let's go.
Who even opened that door for you? Whosoever that opened that door, I close it. I close it permanently. I close it permanently. I close it permanently.
Cause if you do good, if you survive, if I believe in
Mazi, how did it go?
It went off well. Congratulations.
Thank you. Did you see the baby? Did the doctor allow you to see the baby?
Mba, but he told me there are a set of triplets. Congratulations.
Triplets. Let me get lost. Marcy, let me get lost. Marcy, let me get lost. Marcy. Hi. Marcy, let me get lost. Marcy, I want to get lost. I don't have money for one. I don't have money for one. And you're telling me I have a set of triplets. How will I take care of them?
The God that brought them to this world will give you the money.
I don't agree, Marcy. That God should know. If that God you're talking about has eyes, he should know that I don't have money for even one child.
Don't worry.
Why is he giving me 3?
Don't behave like a coward.
Let me get lost.
Don't behave like a coward.
Mazi, right now I'm a coward. A man that does not have money is a coward. I'm a coward.
You are a man. You are a man.
The money they asked me to get at the hospital, I've not been able to raise it. So if I go there now, what do you want me to tell them?
Congratulations. Yeah. Congratulations.
Is this how I'm gonna live my life? I'm losing my sanity. I'm losing my sanity. Where will I start? I'm owing debt everywhere. Who will save me? My life is shambles. Who will rescue me? I need the help. Oh, this suffering is too much on me. This wahala is too much on me. Onyeka major, no more.
Oga! Oga! What do you want?
Good day. Good day. I am looking for Omego's house. I was told it's a stone throw from here.
Oga, please. I'm not in the mood. Please, if you are looking for somebody's house, you go straight now. When you get to the end of the road, go right or left, you ask them. Please, please allow me.
Sorry, excuse me,
Oga, please. I don't want to insult your white green brocade. Leave me alone.
Can you take me there, please?
I'm not in the right state of mind. Can't you take this? Do I look okay to you?
I won't waste your time. Calm down. Calm down.
Hey.
Just come in. I won't waste your time.
This man. What do you want?
Don't vent your spleen on me, please. Can you come in?
You look like a ritualist first and foremost.
I'm not.
Do you want to use me for ritual? No, you can use me because right now my life is empty and over. What do you want?
Young man, take it easy. Just take me to Omego's house.
Omego is a very popular person. When you get to the end, you see Okada people there. Ask them. I think he's right. His house is at the right. Go now.
Please, please, I appeal to your conscience. It's urgent. Just help take me there. Please.
Hi.
Biko. Biko. Whatever it is, please, just calm down. Please. Okay, let me.
Please, next time, tell me to open the door. I'm not a woman.
No.
Leave the door.
So.
I am now a laughing stock everywhere. I am crying, Chimo. Bobby Amawa, Bobby Amawa, I am a dance, Chimo. Bobby Tiwa, Bobby Tiwa, I am crying, Chimo. Bobby Amawa, I am now. I am a dance, Chimo. Bobby Tiwa, I am now. I am crying, victim. Bobby Amawa, I am a dance, Chimo. Bobby Tiwa, I am crying, come to my aid. Bobby Amawa, not allowed, I am a dance, Chimo. Bobby Tiwa, and when I get I am crying, Chimo. Bobby Amawa, I am a dance, Chimo. Bobby Tiwa,
Young man, what is your problem?
What, didn't you find the place?
I did. But...
Okay.
Why are you like this?
My brother. I'm here thinking of my life, oh.
Talk to me. What is your problem?
This world, eh?
I guess you...
This world.
What about this world?
This world is turning me around.
Young man, what exactly is your problem?
See, my brother. Let me not bother with my troubles, eh? Don't worry.
Like you're new in this village. I am Sonny Billionaire.
My name is Chukwu Emezie. People call me Emezie.
Emezie, what is eating you up? What exactly is your problem? Talk to me.
As I'm sitting down here, my wife is at the hospital. She just gave birth to a set of triplets that I did not ask for.
That is good news. Oh, home. Please, take me to the hospital. Let me see them. Triplets? You should be happy.
How can I be happy? How can I be happy? Do you know how much you're asking me to get? Do I look like somebody that has money to you? I don't have money.
Emezie, how much are they asking?
Initially, when we were expecting one child, they told me to bring 100-something thousand. Right now, I know that the money must have tripled, just like the children have tripled. So, I don't know what to do. Maybe if I have 200-something thousand, I can go there and start begging them.
You see, Emezie, God blessed me so I can help people. I mean, that is chicken change. It is.
Well,
What if I tell you I would assist you?
My brother, look, please. You see my situation, you'll not understand it. I just feel that there's something following me. I feel that I'm under a serious curse because I don't know. No, every time I try to do something, it just goes wrong. Even if you help me now, something will still go wrong. Something will go wrong.
You're not cursed. Emezie, word of the mouth, very, very strong. How would you say you're cursed? No, you're not. You see, in life, there is something called vicissitudes, ups and downs. You're on your downs. You still get back, okay? This is not the end of the world. Never mind, okay? I would assist you. I will. What did you say the amount is?
If I can go there with maybe 250 or 270, anything, I can begin to beg them.
250,000. Excuse me. Just give me a minute. Emezie, I'd expected a change of face, at least a smile and a beam of hope. Well, this is my card. And this is 300,000 naira. Take. I told you I'm Sonny Billion. This is what I'm born to do. Help people.
Thank you. I cannot thank you enough. I don't even know who you are. Thank you.
Come on. I told you I was born to do this. You see, you are a very good man. You remember the other day you helped me carry tubers of yam for my grandmother? You see, this life is small. You see, what goes around comes around. Huh. Here we are. Emezie, remember to give me a call. See your people and take care of that.
Cause if you do good, if you survive, if I put him in half a fool, and yet me Jumanya, Obi Bawagamo, people are wicked, and yet me Jumanya, you can't sleep for your case. Is this how the world is? People are wicked, is this how I'm gonna live my life? I'm losing my sanity. I'm losing my sanity. Where will I start? I'm owing debt everywhere.
Omega.
My life is shambles. Who will rescue me? I need the help.
I have found the items needed for the big sacrifice.
What is that?
Triplets.
Sonny Billions. Where did you find them?
Oh, that should not arise. I was expecting to see excitement from you, Omega. This is what we've been looking for. Wherever I got the items from is immaterial at the moment. What is important now is we have the items for the oracle.
What are we waiting for, Sonny? We have to use them as quick as possible.
My name Dajo. You know what? I am working in something. And I know in no distant time to be ready. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Good. Omego!
Sonny Billion.
Omego!
Sonny Billion.
I thought when I told you the news would get me something here.
Yeah.
Apollo.
Oh, but you know now, I think it's the hard time for us to do something now.
Omego, leave English alone.
Who is there?
Hey, it's a happy moment, man.
Sonny Billion.
Yeah, so maybe.
Emezie here is my kinsman. You need to know this young man back in the days where he throws money as if it has no value. On atosase ego atosase. Onye obuna ofo wole ego. Ebe obuna na-eme launching donation on our ego.
Serious?
As if he had a tree where he blocks them. But none here today. They go defend them today.
Well, Emezie, life is full of vicissitudes, ups and downs. For me, you are in this condition because you have refused to take the bold step. You see me, Sonny Billion. I am one of the men who suffered in my community before I told myself, look, it is enough. And it was enough. You see, if you don't take that decision, you will continue like this. So it is in your court.
No, but I'm tired. I'm tired. That is why I'm here. Looking for help, seeking for help. I'm tired. I want to make money. I have suffered too much. Every day I come out to this market, carry this wheelbarrow, help people carry goods, and they give me 200. Sometimes some people don't even give me money.
I like the spirit. I like the spirit. And that means we would take it.
Have you learned your lesson? I have. Okay, we will help you. But one thing, you will keep it a secret. Not even your wife will know about this.
You see, the first time I set my eyes on you, it made him follow.
Ocho. Hi.
Generational curse following you. And when you have issues like this, do you know what you need? Spiritual cleansing. Serious spiritual cleansing. Exactly. As a matter of fact, you need to appease your grandfather. He has to forgive you so that all these curses will go and you begin to live life again, just like the way he described you. That there was a tiny fego car. That same life will come back again. Yes. That is if you believe.
I believe things will change for me. Please. Please help me, please.
Alright then. Tomorrow we'll take you to our man of God, our pastor. A true man of God, ordained by God. By the time you undertake the spiritual cleansing, Emezie,
Sonny Billion, one more thing. Okay. Keep it a secret.
Yes. I'll not tell my wife. I'll not tell everybody.
Nobody should know about it. I think we have to go now.
Yeah, tomorrow then. Yeah. Tomorrow then.
Tomorrow, yes, I'll be here.
Are you sure you're ready?
I'm ready.
I told you something. Don't tell your wife.
I will not tell my wife.
Thank you. You should be excited. And I'm sitting down and shaking out.
I'm happy.
I'm happy.
I'm happy. Good. I'm happy. So,
wise one. We brought this young man here for total cleansing.
Have you told him what his problem is?
Yes. I have told him what I see. That is why we brought him here, so you can tell him more.
Exactly.
There is nothing more. You have to settle the spirit of your grandfather. Then you can be rich again.
Holy One, I'm willing to do anything. Anything at all, as long as I become rich again.
Then take this blade, cut your finger. You're welcome. All the wealth and riches you want is here. But you will have to work hard to get it.
I'm ready. Holy One, I am ready to do anything. I'm ready to even give my blood. I'm willing. Just make me rich again, please.
You are lucky to be here today. Your grandfather who made you poor is on a journey to take your triplet away from you tonight.
What? What? Holy One, please. Please, help me. Please. Please. Talk to me. I don't want to lose them. Please. Please.
Have you met before? How did I know you have triplets? So, I'm a true man of God.
Yes, indeed, you are a man of God. And I need your help. Please.
You need to cripple that wicked spirit of your grandfather, or you remain poor all your life. Then take this cloth. Use it to cover your triplet tonight.
That's all?
Yes. Then bury the cloth in the bush the next morning. Are you okay?
Emeze, if you perform these rites very well, money, riches will begin to follow you, and you will never ever taste poverty in your life again.
Agent of Satan, agent of Satan,
evil people everywhere. Their heart is beating, so much bitter. They never forget things at all. They never forgive at all. They are for destruction. They are for killing. They are here to render you useless. Yeah, chop my two. Yeah, when you chop my two. When too much of jealousy, enviness, jealousy. One year, Musu. What has he done to you?
Where have you been? I've been looking for you.
I went to the toilet.
Oh. Okay. Let's go inside.
No. I'm okay here. I'm not feeling sleepy yet.
You may say it's cold. You can't stay outside. Even if you're not sleeping now, at least stay inside the house.
You know what? You can go inside. I'll join you later.
It is sure. Aye.
Money. When the money comes, I begin to do money things. Look at this. Just. When you go to first, I couldn't go inside that. Out. Bring this place down. You know, build all these modern duplets that I see in magazines. probably moves out and set it up this way. So that you know. The car park can be here. Like all these buildings you have in Lekki. All these Lekki houses. The house is that way. And then you just drive in. And then, you know, you line the cars up. Like this. Like that. Like this. Omalichanwa. My darling. I am talking to money. Money talk. I'm talking to money. Eh? Hmm? Open your nose and breathe. And you smell money. You will smell money. I have made some money moves. I have made some money moves. And very soon, money will begin to bow to me.
What is wrong with you? Who are you talking to? It's just...
You see, all the people, all of them, that felt that I have fallen flat on my face because I don't have money, they shall all line up and begin to hail me. And I'll be doing money things too. Money things, you know me. Eh? But the first thing I'll do is to transform you. Not this thing that you're wearing. That looks like the sieve they used to process cassava. That is not it. I'm going to transform you. My darling, make a long list. Everything that you know you are going to need in this lifetime, you and the baby, I'm going to do. Eh? For money is coming.
Is somebody bringing money to you? What is going on? I don't understand what you're saying.
Money is coming. You cannot see it. Eh? You cannot hear the vibration of cash coming our way. You have to believe. They say have faith. Eh? Let your faith manifest. Eh? I will break down this house. Put a mansion this way. Eh? When you talk to this landlord that built this kiosk and ask him why this house is facing the sun, I want to achieve Chabwani here. Eh? This is what poverty causes. See how we are sweating. Eh? When you live in a wrong house, your destiny becomes wrong.
I'm going to go inside and check on the babies.
Why? Why do you want to leave me here? Bia. Omalichanwa. Eh? Come and tell me the things that you will need when money comes. Come and talk to me. Tell me. I want you to tell me. Where do you want to go and make your hair? Where do you want to fix your nails? Where do you want to fix your lash? I'll do all that for you. That is what money does. What car do you want? You want a G-Wagon? White or navy blue? Eh? Tell me. Eh? I will bust your brain with money. What?
The children.
What happened?
What has he done to you? You have scattered his word. You have rendered him useless.
I want the both of you to support the Igwe in any capacity that is required of the both of you towards the completion of that project.
Yes, we will.
That is why I called you here.
We are the committee now. We are the ones working out those things. You're not supposed to.
Ichie, It's in Obu in a feature.
Nke dara ụdara no. Nke mbamba. Mbamba obi dara ụdara. Ọ da say na we the ones running around for this project.
It is sure na Igbulo obi. Maka na anoro mo oda. Obi Igbulo. I did not hear the sound of your flute.
We the ones running around for the project now.
I don't know, Fuma.